Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your REALME C53. So first of all, we have to open the phone dialer. Next, go to the contacts. And right now I would like to change the ringtone for this one. So click on the contact, then tap on the three dots in the right upper corner. Then click to set the ringtone. Right here, as you can see, you can find all default ringtones. So for example, if you want to get the playtime, click right here and click OK. But if you want to get the default ringtone, go at the bottom of the list, and then you can go for the recent files, or just click on these three lines in the left upper corner, where you can find the audio files, downloads, or basically all storage of your REALME C53. And here you can enter and navigate for any file that you have, and then it will appear right here. Then click OK to confirm, and as you can see, it's finished. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.